All right, what's going on, everybody? It's your girl Queen here. I'm about to show you guys a quick way to get started streaming on Twitch. Hopefully, by the end of this video, you guys will be able to stream to Twitch with no issues, no problems. And if you guys do have any questions, make sure to leave a comment down below so that I can help you guys and help you fix any issues that you may have there. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, make sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you like this video and you aren't already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you, guys. All right, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing today? My name is GamerQueen22, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick video on how to set up OBS and stream to Twitch. I'm going to try and make it as quickly as possible so I can get you guys up and running and, get you guys streaming as quickly as possible. All right, so first thing you're going to do, you're going to download OBS. I'm going to assume you've already done that already. And after you do that, you're going to come over here. You're going to go to File. You're going to go to Settings. In general, you don't really need to mess with anything in here. If you want to make sure that everything is the same as mine, you can go ahead and pause the video and do that. All right, stream. This is where everything is important. You're gonna come over here. You're gonna go to service. You're gonna click Twitch, and then after that, you're gonna go down to server. You're gonna find the server that is quickest to you. Go ahead and click on that server. Then you're gonna come down here, stream key. This bar is gonna be blank. You will get your stream key by you go to internet, you go to Twitch. Sorry, we'll need that later. You're gonna go to your account settings over here. You're gonna go to channel and videos, and then your stream key will be right there. You're gonna copy it. You're gonna come back over to Twitch here, and you're gonna paste it in the bar. Once it's in there, go ahead and click apply. If you want, you can connect your account and just log in with Twitch stuff if you want to. You don't have to, but yeah. After you're done there, you're gonna hit apply. Then you're gonna come over to output. You're gonna make sure you switch the mode to advanced. Click on streaming. The audio tracks, just make sure you have one. Make sure everything's the same as mine here. Where things may get a little bit different is here in your encoder. You can either use NVENC or X264. I suggest using NVENC. It's using your GPU to stream with. It's usually a little bit better. But test and see which works for you. Using your CPU may work a little bit better for you, but I would advise using NVENC. That's what I use. And yeah. Rescale output, make sure that's unchecked. Rate control, CBR, your bit rate, it's going to be somewhere between, you want to do like 3,000 and 6,000. The maximum that Twitch allows right now is 6,000, and depending on your upload speed, your bit rate is going to change. But for right now, just set it to 3,000, and we'll go back and look at that. I'll show you guys that chart that we saw earlier. All right, keyframe intervals, set that to 2. Your preset, you're gonna set that to quality. Profile, you're gonna set it to high. Uncheck look ahead if it's checked. Make sure psycho visual is checked. GPU 0. B frames 2. Once you're done there, you're gonna go ahead and click apply. Now I'm gonna show you guys that chart that we just saw. This chart here, depending on your upload speed, my upload speed is 23. I'm gonna show a quick little picture of that if I can. But yeah, my upload speed is 23. If depending on yours, or I'll just show mine is 23 megabytes here. So depending on yours, this is what's gonna determine what resolution and quality and everything that you can stream in. You want to make sure, depending on your upload speed, you want to make sure you leave about 2 to 3 megabytes of headspace in between to when you're gaming, so that you're not lagging and too much like that. So if your upload speed is say 8 megabytes, you're kind of pushing it going for 6. You're really pushing it. I wouldn't even advise going there. So I would advise everyone start here. Just start with 720 frames per second, 30. See how your stream runs, see how everything works, and then work your way up. Just see what works for you. You're gonna have to test it and play around with it and see what works. It's different for everybody depending on your internet connection and your PC. All right, but mine, I use 6,000, so I'm gonna go ahead and set mine to 6,000. Like I said, my upload speed is 23, so I can use 6, and I still have plenty of space. All right, once you're done there, you're gonna hit apply. Then you're gonna go to audio. Make sure your sample rate is 48. Your channels, go to stereo. Your desktop audio here. This is whatever you use to hear your sounds in your PC. that's what you're gonna select here. Mine is disabled because I have my audio set up you know, a different way. For the sake of the video, I'll go ahead and show you guys. If you're using headphones, you know, you go ahead and click your headphones there. You know, desktop audio 2, you're gonna leave that disabled. Your mic, you're gonna go ahead and find whatever your mic you're using. If you're using the mic on your headset, you know, use your headset microphone. If you have a different standalone mic, you know, you just go ahead and select it there. Make sure these other ones are disabled. Everything down here, make sure it's the same. Once you're done, you're gonna go ahead and hit apply. All right, then you're gonna go to video. You're gonna go ahead and set this to 1080. It's pretty much the size of your monitor. And here, this is what you're gonna be streaming in. This is what you're gonna stream out to Twitch. You know, going back to your upload speed, this is, you know, gonna determine what you can use here. So if you're able to use 1080, you come here and click 1080. If you wanted to use 720, you would come down here and select 720. I stream in 900, so if you wanted to, it's not on the drop down bar. You have to type it in here, and then, you know, it'll pop up there. Your downscale filter, you're gonna go to Lengthos. Whether you can do 30 or 60, you know, you change that here. Either click 30 or 60, and then once you're done here, you're gonna hit apply. And once you're done here, hotkeys, you don't need to worry about anything in the hotkeys. Advanced, you don't need to worry about anything there. But if you want to check to make sure it's the same as mine, I don't use any hotkeys, you know, then go ahead. Once you're done, hit OK, and then we are done with that part. All right, welcome back, guys. All right, let's go ahead and finish this thing out. All right, so the next thing you're gonna want to do after you finishing everything out there, you're gonna come down here. You're gonna go to add. You're gonna go to game capture. You know, create new game capture. This is what I use when I'm streaming, and you know, you're gonna capture any specific window. Come down here to the window, and you know, Sims 4, since I'm playing The Sims 4. And you may notice this little black bar. It's an easy fix. You're just gonna right click on the screen, go to transform, and you know, stretch the screen. It'll stretch it out, fill it out for you. All right, the next thing you're gonna want to do is add a camera. If you're using a camera, you're gonna come down here. You're gonna go to video capture device. You're gonna click create new, and you're gonna select whatever camera you have. There's mine. So I'm gonna select that there, just so for the sake of the video, so it's not, you know, backwards. But yeah, then you have your webcam there, and if you wanted to add another source, which would just capture your whole monitor, you would come over here and you would add display capture. Display capture, that one you would select whichever monitor you want to capture, you know, whichever one, you would just select it from the drop down if you have multiple monitors. If not, that'll just capture your whole desktop. And yeah, you're done. Now that is how you set up your Twitch stream. If you guys want a more in-depth tutorial, I know I messed that up there a little bit, I'm sorry, but yeah, just make sure you leave a comment down below, or you hop in the Discord and send me a message in Discord, and I'll try and help you guys out. And yes, I also stream on Twitch Friday through Tuesday. I don't stream Wednesdays and Thursdays, so every day except for Wednesday and Thursdays, you can catch me on Twitch around usually 9 to 10 p.m. Eastern time. If you guys want to hop in, you know, feel free to drop a follow and just hang out for a little bit. I will make sure I leave that link down in the description box below. And yeah, that is how you set up a Twitch stream. Hopefully it was nice, quick, and easy for you guys. I try to make it as short as possible. And yeah, if you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, make sure to leave a comment, and make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I will see you guys in the next video. Later, guys.